So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to demonstrate what this Milwaukee grease gun has developed an issue where I don't know if it's operator error or whatever the heck the case may be. But that plunger is broke inside. And say you got a tube of grease, you go to put your tube of grease. Oh. Nope. Okay, you are going to be a turd. Oh, the heck with this darn thing. Heck with it, if it's going to be a pain in the butt. Well, so what my problem is that, yeah, the tube of grease will not sit level or flush with the barrel. Something is broke in the barrel. I don't know what it's aggravating. Good grief. I'm hoping I can rob this one because, yes, this one comes off. Because this one will not come off to save its life. That one needs thrown in the trash anyhow. So all that I need is just the barrel. That's all that I need. And on this one, there's a little button. Okay, you guys see how it's sitting flush with this one in this barrel here? Okay, you see that? You see how it's sitting kind of, you know, flush? The other one and the other barrel was like that much higher above the barrel, making it virtually impossible to get the grease cartridge down to where it needs to go inside the barrel. So now I'm just hoping and praying that the threads line up. Will the threads line up? Doggone it. Darn junk. So what is this, like take 3 or something? Maybe. Oh my goodness, why is this so darn hard? first of all, I want to see if... What the fuck? This grease has been in this gun for so darn long that it don't want to come out. And all I need is for this plunger. There. Okay, I hope these threads are right. Oh no. Don't know. Guess the only way I can actually tell is throw this yicky hard tube of grease away and get a fresh one. Try it. And we'll just have to see what happens, because I'm not real thrilled about having to pay $50 an hour Hartville Hardware or Hartville Contractor Supply to work on a grease gun when my good friend from YouTube can help save me a couple bucks. So let's see. I hope this works. I hope it works. Okay, so we're airlocked. Push low bleeder. So usually when they become airlocked like this, what I do is I take this plunger, pull it out, crack this cage or this tube just a quarter turn, run my grease out. Oh, come on here. God darn it. So this thing is severely airlocked. just great. Gosh darn it. Yeah. So, this is aggravating. Just really aggravating, because it still won't pump. Yeah. It still won't pump. Putting the tube of grease back in the old can. And this is exactly what it's doing. Yep. It's not sitting down in all the way, so something is broke. So something is broke in this grease gun. Yeah. Something is broke. I don't know what. And it's aggravating because, well, I can't get the stupid thing, one, to go in right, you know, without having to force it in there. Oh, you son of a bitch. So now I get to play Where in God's Name Can I Find a Barrel for a Milwaukee, yeah. I believe this is M18. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the M18. So, yeah, I can't believe that these two are interchangeable. I just can't. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.